Ancient civilizations faced earthquakes, floods, and volcanic eruptions without modern technology. So how did they survive? In Mesopotamia, cities were built on high ground to escape deadly floods. In ancient Egypt, the Nile's floods were predicted and even welcomed. The Romans engineered aqueducts and earthquake-resistant roads. And in the Andes, the Inca built terraces to stop landslides. They didn't fight nature. They learned from it. That's why many of their cities lasted for centuries. Ancient people weren't primitive. They were prepared. Follow for more forgotten survival secrets from history.